Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the Euro Yen, definitely looks like the end of a wave 3, and if it is the end of a wave 3, then most likely we're in a wave 4. This wave 4 could easily turn into a very overlapping corrective pattern, which I think will last probably at least 6 to 8 months and probably make its way down to one of these two Fibonacci levels before it goes back up one more time for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, definitely got a big old spike candle going on right here. I would definitely say this first move down is a wave A of a wave 4. Maybe the wave A is already over. Maybe it's now already going up for a wave B. We have to realize that we are most likely inside of a correction, and corrections are definitely very overlapping patterns quite often. Could end up being some sort of a very messy, complex correction, but I definitely think it's going to make some sort of a three-way pattern down to one of these two Fibonacci levels for a wave 4 that potentially will last at least 6 to 8 months. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, to me on the daily, it really still looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think we're going to try to get at least one more push down for the end of a wave 4 and a wave 5 before it actually does go up and make a wave B of the wave 4 correction. So anyways, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. So I'm waiting for 3 waves up and pulse it down at a fib level. We are sitting at the 50% right now, and we do already have 3 waves up. So if it does make a very impulsive, engulfing turn to the downside, then I definitely will take it as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So it kind of looked like it was trying to make a short this morning. I didn't actually take this short because it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if it does bounce from the fib level, if it does go down, if it does break structure, then I definitely will take that as the end of a correction, most likely the ABC of wave 4. And this is likely a wave 3, and at that point it would probably go down for a wave 5. I still think this is all just a wave A of a big wave 4, unlike the weekly and monthly time frames. Now, if you are a very short time frame trader, like a scalper, you could definitely still continue to look for longs, at least until we get that breaker structure to the downside. It doesn't have to turn at this 50%. It could easily go up to a higher fib level. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.